Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to log into our Amoud University account. Let's get started. So to log into your Amoud University account, what you can do is just simply open up your browser. You can select any browser you like, and after opening up your browser, in search bar you can search for Amoud University login. After searching for that, you'll come up to this page, and from here you can just tap on this option which says login Amoud University. And after tapping on that option, now what you can do is just select your faculty. After selecting your faculty, now what you can do is just enter the username and enter your account's password. After entering your account's password, just tap on sign in, and after tapping on sign in, you'll successfully sign into your account. So that's it guys, this is how to sign into your Amoud University's account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.